Don't you dare buy anything from the Huda Beauty website unless you know their policy. Hi guys, so today I'm going to be talking about Huda Beauty's website, her personal website, not Sephora where you can get foundation at, not Ulta, just Huda Beauty's website, and why I think that you should check out their policy before you buy anything, because I think that her policy sucks. So if you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. My name is Paint Me Pretty Cynthia, and if you're my loyal subscribers, hi guys. And if you want to watch why I'm so pissed off at their website, then please stay tuned. Alright guys, so let's get this started. I'm so disappointed with Huda Beauty's policy, guys. So pissed off that, well, I'm not pissed, I'm disappointed, because I waste my money and I don't want you guys to waste your money. So let's just rewind a little bit. Before I purchased these two foundations online, I went to Sephora. My Sephora around here does not have Huda Beauty. What? My Ulta does not have Huda Beauty. So I figure, let me go online and order the foundation. Bad idea without reading the policy. Even though they sell Huda Beauty in some Sephoras, and usually if you buy the wrong color, you can return it, right? So I go online. Oh, and I do want to tell you guys that I went into the Sephora website as well, but on the Sephora website, Huda Beauty is sold out, the foundation. Okay, so that's why I went into the Huda Beauty, her website, and I didn't think I had to read the policy, because usually if you are not happy with whatever you purchase, you can return it. I can go to CVS. If I open something up and I didn't like it, I can return it at CVS. You guys know I do not like returning anything. I was asked from one of my subscribers to please buy the foundation and let her know if I liked it. She wanted to know my opinion on the Huda Beauty foundation. So as a blogger, of course I'm gonna buy a foundation or whatever it is that I have to buy to show you guys, because I'm a beauty influencer. That's what I do. Usually when you buy online, there is a policy, but it's never, you cannot return stuff. Never. What I did was go into Urban Decay, Benefit, and Murphy. I can go into more if you guys want me to go into more, but I picked Urban Decay and Benefit because they're a Sephora, and then I picked Murphy because Murphy's more of a smaller and independent website. So Urban Decay, you can return within the 45 days, no questions asked. If it's broken, if you used it, as long as you don't use it all the way down and then try to return it, that will be like shady. Benefit, you can return within 30 days. Murphy, if it's damaged, you can return online. I believe Huda Beauty, if it is damaged. So my suggestion is, if it's not damaged but you want to return it, then lie. And let me tell you why I'm saying lie. Because I bought one and my husband bought me another one. They were both too light. She has 30 foundations online. My Sephora does not have the foundations that I can go and try and see what color I am. Even if I order from Sephora online that I can return it, the problem is I still didn't know my color. So I ordered two. My husband ordered one, I ordered another one. They both were too light. I emailed them and I asked them if there was any way I can return, exchange. I don't even want my money back. I just want foundations that matches my skin. And they said that their policy, you cannot exchange. You know what? Let me read it. Hi Cynthia, thanks for your email. If the foundation was purchased from us directly, then unfortunately we do not offer refunds or exchange due to the nature of the product. All sales are final as per the sale policies. So I emailed them back and I told them, because I bought one and my husband bought one, we spent together $120. The foundation is $40 at Sephora and at Ulta, but the shipping, when you order from Huda Beauty's direct website, you have to pay $20 extra for shipping. So my husband pays $60 and I pay $60, $120 down the freaking drain. So now I have two foundations that are not matching my skin. They're so light, and I'm screwed. So now what? There's really nothing I can do but just keep these foundation and do nothing with them, basically. It sucks. It really does. I think if she would have emailed me back and said, I can't give you a refund, but I can give you a discount for your next purchase, or we'll send you a complimentary one because you bought two, that would have been, I think, in my opinion, better customer service. So my suggestion to you guys, before you even order from Huda Beauty website, know that if you buy something, you will not be able to return it. And their shipping is $20 more. That's crazy. So I'm $120 down the drain. There's nothing I can do about it, unfortunately. I do want to show you the colors that I did get. So if you are in my skin color and you are thinking of buying it from her website, then you won't make the mistake in buying these colors. I got Panna Cotta 130G. Looks like this. So in person, it looks a little too yellow for me. Not good for my skin tone at all. And then the color that my husband got me was 150G. It's called Cream Brulee, and it looks like this. So it's a little bit darker, but very yellow undertone. Both are too light on my skin. I did put the foundation, both of them, on my skin. And to be honest, I did create a video on it, but I look like a ghost, and I just didn't want to show you guys that and then tell you guys that it was just too matte or too drying, because sometimes a light foundation may appear too dry for my skin. So I didn't want to give the wrong information, even though it was still the foundation. In my personal opinion, it was just too matte. But I don't know, because I wish that I would have gotten my color and then wore it all day. I didn't wear it all day because I didn't like the way it looked because it was too light. So guys, that is it for my video. I hope that you guys don't get upset if you like Huda Beauty. I like Huda Beauty. I love her eyeshadows, and that is it that I have. And I was trying to get her foundation, but didn't work out. So I don't want you guys to not like Huda Beauty. My point of this video was to let you guys know and keep you guys aware of her policy, and that it sucks. And if I were you, don't order from the website unless you're sure of your color. That's about it, guys. If you guys enjoyed this honest video, then please thumbs it up, please comment, and please do not forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys again within 2 to 3 days. I love you guys so much. Bye.